Hello guys. Today I was going for pumping a pump. Look at this. This is a mocky for putting out water, and here is the pumping. Okay guys, I'm in jungle today, and there was a lot of singing song, lots of singing song, and what song I don't know. Animals are singing. They don't keep silent. They don't keep silently. And here is the bridge. Looking so small, but it's very hard. It's very harder. So tired, like yesterday. No air pollution. That's why I tired. Tiring for working, but there also one problem. Tiring. Sweaty coming out from my face. Okay, that is nice green leaf, and very nice tree, big tree, but very thin, like the girl, the thin man, or the thin fellow. Okay, here is a and there's green leaves. It's so nice, like a beautiful and sexy girl. Today I was alone, and look at this. This is cold. I don't know. Hey, bache, and we can eat. Good to eat. It's tasty. Our forest is like a jungle. I'm scaring a lot because I was in the jungle alone. Because of why? my ex-girlfriend is leaving me. That's why I was here alone in the jungle, trying to reaching. Okay, one thing. What is this? So taller than me. No problem, but and here's banana living. No, leaf. No, living. Okay. And here is gooseberry. It's sweetie fruit, like kissing someone got sweetie. It's a sweetie gooseberry. And here is the roti, main road. No, not main road, but it seems like main road, but no main road, guys. Okay, here is the peel. You see, fall from here. Okay, there's another fruit here, but cannot eat. Look at this, guys. It's a tasty fruit. Okay, let's travel on. It's high. I cannot even jumping. I tired. No energy today. Okay. I thinking that today I was only me, but look at that. There is two guys who don't want to, only me. But my ex-girlfriend want to lonely me, but I don't care. Okay, what is this? I don't know. This is our pier. Get much up to this also our pier. Oh, rice planting. That's good. And what is this? Bar. It's bar. Oh, our rice is going more and more, but I'm not growing. Only growing bad things. Me. Okay, they are nice. Not like me. Okay, there is a green grass. You see from here. It's fine. It's finely. Okay, trying to reach my funeral house in my field. And there is a pumpkin. Oh, Yeah, pumpkin. Okay, here is a cornfield. Oh, it's so many and very further from here. You see the banana trees. And here, what is this? Watermelon and lady fingers. And here also bar having and water for drinking. Okay guys, today I'll be pumping this. Guy today. And here is a seat. Guys, sofa seat, but not a sofa. Okay. What is this again? Oh, that is a shining. What shining? I don't know, but it it's seeming like A or triangle. Anyway, let's keep this. Next. Oh, what a darkest! Like I think in darkest room cannot come out. But guys, don't think that this is room. This is pumping. This is pumping. And now here is a. Oh no! Look at this. Oh, what a drinks? No. What a round up. This is not water. Here writing. Likela, but it's round up. This is round up, not water, not a drinks. Okay. And now for that much. Now let's close it up again. Closing ceremony. Okay, let's try this. Hooray! What the fuck? Very near and not scoring. Okay, again time. Okay, it should be like that. Okay, let's closing ceremony. Closing ceremony. Okay, here's our pier houses. And today I thought that I was lonely, but 2 or 3 boys are coming for me, but not in my field. You see that 2 police boy. Okay, there are a big of field. They are very stronger. Xinjiang people are stronger person. Okay, I show you my peel, how much I do. Okay, you see the end parts of the ending parts of the banana trees that match up to. Okay, that rice planting also our mine, and green grasses having you see that also for our mining on here. Okay, and here also you see banana trees, that banana trees also, and the upping one also for us, and not that much. And this is what, this is like a blanket, but cannot wear, cannot wearing. Okay, you see that much also our peel, that much also. And the in the upper side, I'm pointing that one is our peel again, but I'll not go already. I'm not going. I starting now. I starting pumping because I'll be late. Okay.